What were you dreaming about last night?
That everyone comes to my party.
To your what?
To my party.
Your birthday party?
Mm-hmm.
Who was there?
I was dreaming about it.
You were?
Uh-huh. What you were dreaming about?
What were our friends dreaming about? That's a good question. Comment below what you were dreaming about last night. Hey, buddy. Hey guys, we are having a really chill Monday, so we aren't really doing much. The girls are upstairs playing and Oliver is taking a nap, so we are just kind of hanging around the house, and I'm getting some of my housework done, so yeah.
Ooh, he's so cute. And the baby's going back in his baggage. And see my friends over there, they're having fun. So, oh, hi Peppa Pig. Hi, I'm Peppa Pig.
Every time I see something like this, it's just a reminder to me that it won't always be like this in our house, but and I get overwhelmed sometimes when like the toys are out and they're not put away, but like little things like this just remind me that we're not always going to have kids in our home. You know, they're going to grow up and go on to their own adventures and have their own families, which is super far away to think about. But it is always, you know, one of those things when people are like, they grow up so fast, and they actually really do. Kids grow up so fast, and it's so crazy. But anyways, I came upon this little scene, and the chair is pulled out, so I know someone's been up here. Someone has their paper plate drawing that we did the other day, and I'm pretty sure Hazel did this, by the way. And then I see this little dinosaur, which what I'm assuming was talking to the owl and the fox. So, yeah, but our little dinosaur was sitting here, and I think it's so cute. So instead of taking it and putting it away right now, I'm just going to scoot the chair in and leave her things there because I think it's adorable, and it's a little reminder that she is little right now, and I'm going to cherish that moment. So I'm getting ready to make the girls lunch, and I thought I would share what I am making for them today. Banana, strawberries, grapes, yogurt, peanut butter crackers for Hazel, and peanut butter and jelly for Willow. Ready?
That's water.
Yeah. All done. Dry them off.
It's dry enough.
Here you go.
It's dry enough.
Yeah.
Like that.
You ready to go sit down
Dry
and eat?
enough.
Say hey.
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 It's you, Mommy.
What? My birthday again?
Happy birthday to you, Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Yay, it's my birthday again, guys. Not really.
Happy birthday to Lemon.
Lemon, it's Lemon's birthday. Lemon. Is that funny?
Happy dinosaurs.
Hey.
Have a treat, please.
Yes.
Ice treat.
Yes.
I'm a mouth.
Yeah, you want one in your mouth? What?
Huh?
Here you go. You almost bit my finger. This is like feeding birds. All although I'm kind of scared because birds don't have sharp teeth. Hazel, do you miss Daddy?
Me too.
Yeah. We were just watching one of the vlogs that we put up, and they were watching Nick in the vlog, and they kept saying that they missed Daddy. So anyways, I thought that was really sweet and kind of sad, but Daddy, you are missed. Nick, you're missed.
And I was your nose. That is my food. It's hard. And I was a wrinkle nose. That is my food. It's hard. And now I a wrinkle nose.
Girls are getting ready to go down for nap, and we are just picking up some of the toys that we left on our bed. Are you ready to pick those up and put them up?
No.
Oh no, we can't sleep with them though. Can we?
No.
No, we gotta clean them up, don't we?
No.
Yeah. I love you.
No.
What?
Why does she have to clean up her toys?
Cause she can't sleep with all those toys on there, can she?
Yep.
What?
And then she gets to play with them. And after that, she can clean them.
What? We can't play during nap time. Night night.
Night night.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
Willow has already put herself to sleep. She's sleeping already in her bed, and she's closed her eyes. She's already asleep. I mean, it was just seconds and I was in here and she wasn't asleep. Now she's asleep. When she's asleep, she's not ticklish. Oh, she's not asleep!
I awake when you tickle me.
What? Oh, I woke you? I woke you up? Hey, are you ready for nap too? Are you ready? Can you say hi to that baby? Say hi, baby. Hey, hey. Get your hand out of your mouth.
Hey, thanks for watching today's vlog. Really appreciate it. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Maybe leave a comment.